Are you writing CSEC Math soon and feeling stressed? Do you feel like you don't understand anything, and the exam is just days away? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to pass CSEC Math in just 1 week. Even if you're currently struggling, yes, it's possible. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's get started. Focus only on high probability topics. If you only have 1 week, you cannot study everything. So instead, you should focus on high probability topics that come in almost every exam. Focus on these 5 topics: algebra, graphs, trigonometry, geometry, probability. These topics appear almost every year, so mastering them gives you the best chance of passing. 7-day study plan. Day 1, algebra. Solve equations, simplify expressions, simultaneous equations. Algebra is one of the easiest ways to pick up marks quickly. Day 2, graphs. Plot graphs, find gradient, linear equations. Graphs are very predictable and usually easy marks. Day 3, geometry. Angles, area and perimeter, circle theorems. Memorize formulas and practice a few questions. Day 4, trigonometry. Find missing sides. Angles. Trigonometry may seem hard, but once you understand it, it's very easy. Day 5, probability and statistics. Mean, probability, charts. These questions are usually straightforward. Day 6, past paper practice. Now that you've covered the topics, practice past papers. Here's are a few tips. 1, time yourself. 2, check answers. 3, learn from your mistakes. Day 7, final revision. Review formulas. Practice weak areas. Stay calm and confident. This is your confidence building day. Section 3, high-level exam tips. Tip 1, attempt every question. You can still get marks even if you're unsure. Tip 2, show you're working. Markers give marks for working even if your final answer is wrong. Tip 3, start with easy questions. Build confidence and save time. Section 4, motivation. Remember, you don't need 100% to pass. You just need enough marks to succeed. Stay focused. Practice as much as you can. Stay calm and believe in yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with a friend, subscribe for more CSEC content, and comment below. I'm passing CSEC Math. See you in the next video.